Hello, today we're doing an office move. Clients moving from the outskirts of Edinburgh into the city centre, into the old town of Edinburgh. Quite nice central location. You can see office seats, and down there's Hunter Square, and over there's the Royal Mile towards Princes Street, and in that direction you can just about see the castle. This move, given us a few little headaches to overcome. There's no fixed internet that we can get in time installed, so for the time being we are using a couple of mobile connections. So we're using a 5G, and then we've got two other 4G connections on different networks, and we use a special device called a Peplink that helps us load balance these things. There's lots of clever stuff. Whenever you go to look for a new office, what you should be looking for, out with location and style, is what's called the network points and power points, because often this can be an issue. So here we've got lots of points on the floor, on the ground, and we can see boxes over there, and also around the office. So this client's also had to think about where they want to present the desks, so they don't want cables running. So that's always important. Second thing is internet connection. Obviously this client couldn't get the fibre in time, but we've come up with a solution to keep them running for the time being. Also check, where do these network points terminate? The reason for doing this video is just to highlight something I've never seen before. When I first came here, I couldn't find where the network points were terminated. And in the end, after going up and down the stairs looking for different comms rooms, it's in this little metal box. I've never seen anything like that before. And no professional data cabler would have put something in like that, because you've got to put switches in and routers, and look at the size of it compared to my hand. So it was hidden away, but at least it's there. It's going to look a little bit messy. Maybe get a little comms cabinet to put stuff in. But we'll get the client up and running by this afternoon.